In this video, we're going to walk through how to set up a free ebook download with GetResponse. If you've been looking for a quick and easy way to offer free ebooks on your website or landing pages, you're in the right place. Stick around till the end because we'll not only show you the step-by-step process, but also introduce some powerful alternatives for your ebook strategy. First things first, you'll need to have a GetResponse account. If you don't have one yet, go ahead and sign up. It's free to get started. Once logged in, the first thing you'll want to do is head over to the Create button and select Landing Page. This is where you'll build your free ebook download page. GetResponse offers some beautiful templates, but I recommend starting with a simple, clean design to make sure your ebook stands out. Next, you'll need to create an opt-in form. This is where users will input their email to download your ebook. Under the landing page builder, click on Add Form and choose a form style that matches your design. Keep it simple: name, email, and a clear Download Now button. This step is crucial because it's where you'll collect emails, so make sure to add a little text that explains what they'll get in exchange for their email, your ebook. Once your opt-in form is set up, head to the Thank You page section. After your users submit their details, you want to redirect them to a page where they can download your ebook. You can upload your ebook directly to the landing page builder or link to a file hosted elsewhere. GetResponse makes it easy to set up a downloadable link. Next thing, setting up your email automation. With GetResponse, you can easily create an autoresponder that sends the ebook directly to their inbox after they opt in. Go to Automation and choose Create Automation to set this up. Select Send Email after the form submission trigger. Write your email, include a download link, and you're done. Now, your users will instantly get your ebook when they sign up. The fourth thing to keep in mind is testing. Before launching your ebook download page, make sure to test the entire process. Visit the page, sign up for your ebook, and check if the email goes through correctly with the download link. Lastly, let's talk about GetResponse's free plan. While it offers great features for landing pages, forms, and email automations, it does have some limitations. If you're looking to grow your list and scale your ebook downloads effectively, you may find its higher tier plans more suited to your needs. However, there are also other platforms that could serve your needs better if you're just getting started or need more flexibility. Now, if you're still with me, let's be real, GetResponse is solid but not perfect. There are some amazing alternatives that have more robust tools for ebook downloads, better customization options, and a smoother experience for growing your email list. These platforms also offer free trials that give you access to top-tier features without paying upfront. And here's where I have an exclusive deal for you. I've partnered with a company offering an extended free trial to their service, which I personally think is better suited for this kind of ebook setup. The best part? You'll get a special bonus through the link below, which includes exclusive benefits only available to our viewers. Make sure to click the link in the description to get started with the best free trial for your ebook download goals, and don't forget to check out the alternatives for a more tailored experience.